current government contract available for your business. In Florida, they are looking for campus work loading consultant services. This opportunity is due November the 16th, 2023 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take a look at this. So the University of Central Florida is looking for your company to provide custodial workloading consulting services to assist the development and implementation of a formalized custodial program focused on team cleaning approach. Your company could do this, okay? I want you to share this with any cleaning companies, janitorial service companies. This opportunity is in Florida, but remember, you could compete in any state that you like, okay? All right, Brandon. All right, and this opportunity is due in November 16th, so you have some time to respond to this. To learn how to compete for opportunities like this, take a look at some more information about this opportunity. All right, you're going to clean the floors, you're going to sweep. Okay, make sure everything is nice and neat. Okay, this is procurementqueen.com. Procurementqueen.com.